Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Volvo key fob. Here's what you need. You need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a couple bucks. There's a link below in the description. I'm going to be using a flat blade screwdriver about this size and also a flat blade screwdriver about this size. You don't have to have these exact screwdrivers, but it's going to make the job a lot easier. Okay, so first thing you want to do is slide off the covers. This one's the one you slide off first. So slide this that way and pull like this. Okay, back's off. Now this side, same thing. There's a little switch right here. Push that and then slide like that. Okay, now here is where you have access to your battery. This is where I'm going to take the larger flat blade screwdriver and just twist this. Okay, and now I'm going to take the smaller screwdriver, put it right here, and work this cover off. Okay, there's your old dead battery. Go ahead and pop it out right here. And take your new battery, put it in like so. Line this up as if it were open again. Twist this to close. Now this part's a little tricky. And you can see there's 3 notches here and 2 notches there, and the 3 notch always goes away from where you put the key ring at. So put it right there and just kind of put it into place. Same thing here. 3 notches, 2 notches. The 2 notches goes down by the key ring. Push it in, and there you go. You're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.